Hello everybody. Um, just doing a quick check here of my mini mating nukes. Just making sure they got enough feed and also got enough. I also wanted to check the first one because, if you remember, that's the one that I thought maybe the queen flew off on. So if I can't locate a queen today, what I'm going to have to do is pull one of these frames, and I'll have to go over to another hive, go grab a frame of brood, eggs, brood, and slide it in here, and then do a walk away split with it, essentially allowing them to create their own queen cells. There's plenty of bees in here, as you can see, but it's not real. Again, I don't have a clue whether there's a queen or not, so we're going to take a look. And she would be marked if she is in here. Pink. Or red, whatever. This would be the... They've built this cell out really... This frame out really nice, actually. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but that's kind of nice. At least the one side. So they've been busy, at least. They're not giving up the ghost, as it were. But let's see if... let's see if that queen is in here at all. Wow, she is in here. Wow, wow, wow. There she is, right there. She didn't fly away. Holy cow, I got really, really lucky there. Can you see her there? I hope you can see her there. There she is. She's right there. Well, that's really good. Let's see if I can see any. I see a lot of pollen and nectar. She's still a little small, but I'm trying to see if I can see any larvae. Breathe. This is really, 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 really encouraging. I'm really glad to see this. Actually, nice. Well, I'm just going to close these back up and bid them adieu. I am so lucky. So she must have flown back. That's all I can say. I'm happy, happy, happy. And put them back and let them do their thing. Good, I don't have to do any kind of funky little thing there. Well, okay, I'm going to leave these bees be for another week or so. Then I'll come back and check for eggs and things like that. I better put this pollen patty back because they might need it. And I'm going to refill this syrup because I got some Honeybee Healthy in my new jug. And just add a little Honeybee Healthy to it. They didn't suck down the syrup like they did the first time. Oops. they're on here pretty good. So they're taking it. They're taking the sugar syrup pretty good here. Like I said, I added a couple tablespoons of honeybee healthy homemade mixture to it this time. Colonies sound healthy, they're working. It's exactly what I wanted to see. Well, good, I didn't lose a $50 queen. That made my day. So now I went 3 for 3 for my mini mating nukes. So this was a better Tuesday than anything. All right. Happy beekeeping. See you next time.